The 2025 Yamaha YZ450F Monster Energy Edition is a premier off-road motorcycle designed for competitive riders. It features the distinctive blue and black livery of Yamaha's factory race team, embodying a race-inspired look and feel. This model includes numerous upgrades aimed at enhancing performance, handling, and rider comfort. Key features and upgrades. Competition-inspired styling. The 2025 YZ450F Monster Energy Edition sports a striking blue and black color scheme, reflecting Yamaha's factory race team aesthetic. This edition is designed to provide riders with the appearance and feel of a factory pro bike. Revised suspension components and settings. Significant improvements have been made to the suspension system. The rear suspension linkage and shock settings have been revised to enhance stability and traction. The front suspension has also been updated with delta-shaped piston shims for improved rider comfort and more stable front-end behavior. Improved engine mounts and clutch design. To complement the new suspension components, the front engine mounts have been redesigned for better chassis compliance and handling stability. Additionally, the clutch design now features an increased number of oil-feeding holes, from 6 to 18, which enhances cooling efficiency and reliability under continuous use. New handlebar and foot peg designs. The handlebar switch box has been redesigned with a raised rib pattern to prevent accidental button presses when wearing gloves. The foot peg brackets are now made from lighter aluminum and have a revised shape for better rider ergonomics. Advanced engine and performance features. Powerful 450 cubic centimeters 4-stroke engine. The YZ450F's advanced 450 cubic centimeters DOHC 4-stroke engine is compact and powerful, featuring a reversed cylinder head layout, forged aluminum piston, titanium valves, and a lightened crank assembly. These components contribute to the engine's broad pulling power across the entire rev range. Yamaha Power Tuner App. The Yamaha Power Tuner app offers factory team support in your pocket, allowing for adjustments to the air/fuel mixture and ignition timing. It also provides data recording for race logs, maintenance monitoring, and system diagnosis. The app includes a simple tuning slide bar for quick engine mapping adjustments, traction and launch control tuning, and lap timing features. It is available free of charge. Adjustable traction and launch control. The traction control system can communicate wheel slip to the ECU, adjusting the engine to maintain optimal rear wheel traction. 3 levels are available: high, low, or off. The launch control system features an adjustable RPM limiting setting between 6,000 and 11,000 RPM, controllable through the Yamaha Power Tuner app. Chassis and suspension. Aluminum bilateral beam frame. The YZ450F's aluminum bilateral beam frame is precisely tuned to provide the perfect balance of strength and flex. This results in improved handling, lighter feel, more agility, and increased traction, allowing for confident cornering and more line choices. Class-leading suspension. The bike features a high-spec fully adjustable KYB coil spring-type fork recognized as the gold standard in the 450 class. The front fork piston now includes delta-shaped slow-speed shims for better fluid flow and improved comfort. The KYB shock has revised settings and an updated rear suspension linkage for enhanced stability and traction in various riding situations. High-performance braking system. The braking system includes a large 270mm front brake rotor paired with a Nissan caliper, providing excellent braking performance. The rear brake hoses' reduced rigidity offers improved control at the pedal. Ergonomics and additional features. Slim, compact body. The 2025 YZ450F has a slim, flat, and compact body that allows for easier rider movement and improved control. The new single-texture seat cover design, narrow fuel tank, and front shroud enhance the bike's ergonomics, offering increased legroom and a more natural riding posture. Electric starter system. A compact electric starter system minimizes restart delays on the track and adds convenience. It is powered by a high-capacity, lightweight 4-cell lithium-ion battery, contributing minimal weight to the bike. Strong, lightweight wheels. The wheels are designed using computer-aided techniques to reduce weight without sacrificing durability. The rear wheel features a 3-cross-spoke pattern for better impact absorption and rider feel. Pricing: the 2025 Yamaha YZ450F Monster Energy Edition has an MSRP of $10,199 in the United States, $12,199 in Canada, and varies in price in Europe and the UK.